Hey guys, this is Lawrence and I'm going to show you very quick how we can use Adobe Photoshop's Generative Fill to expand the background of this image right here. By the way, this video is powered by Canva, the best, most intuitive screen recording app for Windows that allows you to create studio-level videos with ease. Click the link in the description to learn more. Okay, so let's get started. Here's a picture of me shot in portrait mode. Our goal is to make this image square by magically creating a background on both sides using Generative Fill. So the first thing we need to do is to make the canvas square. Go to Image, Canvas Size, then let's maybe adjust the width to 150%. There you go. Now we have an empty space on both sides. Click the rectangular marquee tool here, then let's select this part of the canvas, making sure you're going over the image a bit. For some reason, this seems to work much better that way. Once selected, the Generative Fill toolbar will appear. Just click Generative Fill, leave the prompt empty. I mean you can put anything on there really, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's not, so you can see that it knows what to do on its own. Then hit Generate. Okay, wait a moment, and there. Ooh, look at that. We got amazing results. You can see right here you get to choose 2 more variations of its generated background. So pick which you like best. I think I like this one. Now let's do the exact same thing on this side. Select, Generative Fill, Generate, let's wait. There you go. Amazing, right? I hope you like this video. Cheers!